As you can see, it's pretty straightforward to keep the surfaces in your home clean. Now we want to talk about when and how to use disinfectants. These cleaning methods come from experts, scientists, and doctors who care about your health and safety. This presentation will take about 15 minutes to view. Please feel free to pause if necessary and then rejoin when it's convenient for you. You'll want to watch the entire presentation so that you have all the information you need to safeguard your home from COVID-19. If someone in your home is sick, or you think they may be sick with COVID-19, you'll need to disinfect your surfaces after cleaning them in order to protect other family members. Cleaning reduces the number of disease-causing germs in your home, and disinfecting kills the remaining germs. If possible, have the person who is sick use a separate bedroom and bathroom away from other family members. All family members, including your sick family member, should wear masks and maintain social distancing of at least 6 feet when in the same room. There are several precautions to take when disinfecting surfaces. Make sure your children and pets are safely in another room. Open a window or turn on an exhaust fan to ventilate the area, especially if you're using the bleach solution we shared earlier. Put on your cleaning gloves and wear a mask before beginning the disinfection process. And remember, never use disinfectants on food or food preparation areas like cutting boards. If you are pregnant or suffer from respiratory issues like asthma, there are some additional precautions you need to take. If possible, have another adult in your home tackle the disinfecting. If this is not possible, use a disinfectant that contains one of the safer active ingredients we shared earlier. One of the safest active ingredients is hydrogen peroxide, and there are several disinfecting products on the market that are hydrogen peroxide based. And be sure to avoid disinfecting products that list ammonia as an active ingredient. Now that you've taken the necessary precautions, here's how to safely disinfect your home surfaces after you have cleaned them. Pull out your disinfectant and clean microfiber cloths. Spray or apply the disinfectant to the surface. Leave the surface wet with the disinfectant for the recommended contact time. Wipe it dry with a clean microfiber cloth. Disinfectants do not work instantly. Depending on the formulation, it can take several minutes for a disinfectant to kill germs, and the time it takes for disinfectants to work can vary from product to product. For this reason, always read the label on the product to find out how long the disinfectant should remain on the surface for it to be effective. This is called the contact time. When you apply or spray a disinfectant on a surface, leave it glistening or sparkling wet for the recommended contact time. Set a timer to make sure it stays on the surface for the correct amount of time, and then wipe it dry with a clean microfiber cloth when the timer goes off. Once you have finished the disinfecting process, remove your gloves and wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for 20 seconds. There are many surfaces in your home that get touched over and over again by members of your family. These frequently touched surfaces include items such as doorknobs and door handles, light switches, stair rails, cabinet handles, sink faucets, and toilet handles. Once someone who is sick touches one of these surfaces, it must be disinfected again. You can use alcohol wipes with at least 70% alcohol to disinfect these frequently touched surfaces. Make sure the items remain glistening wet for the recommended contact time before wiping them dry. You can also stream your disinfectant into your microfiber cloth and then wipe the surface with the wet cloth. Again, make sure the surface remains glistening wet for the necessary contact time before wiping it dry with a clean microfiber cloth. Many electronic devices in your home are also frequently touched. These include remote controls, computer keyboards, touch screens on tablet computers, and smartphones. Be sure to wipe these surfaces with a disinfectant wipe that contains at least 70% alcohol for the recommended contact time, and then dry the surface thoroughly with a clean microfiber cloth. You may want to put a wipeable cover on your electronic devices to protect them from moisture when you are cleaning and disinfecting them. Before, during, and after cleaning and disinfecting, you need to protect your children and your pets from accidentally accessing these products, which can be very harmful to them. Once you've finished your cleaning routine, safely store your cleaning and disinfecting products away from children and pets. You can place them in a high cabinet away from their reach, or in a cabinet with a child-proof lock on it. Clean Away COVID has been brought to you by the Association of State Public Health Nutritionists, with guidance from the American Academy of Pediatrics and Pediatric Environmental Health Specialty Units.